Yeah. I'll call our public works guys.
White House Mayor John Corbett is working to address long-standing flooding issues.
As you can see here, that it gets clogged up with debris, and unless it's cleaned out, then the water, when it comes running in, it's got nowhere to go.
It's been happening at new residential developments like Doris Farms.
Yeah, that's damage from water.
Last week's rainfall caused major issues for homeowners.
The board mayor and alderman at the time, to be honest, that's something they should have looked at. And some of these infrastructure projects that we're now having to do, they should have said, hey, developer, if you want to come, that's fine, but you're going to have to take care of these things first on the front end.
Is everything okay?
Runoff from new developments is flooding nearby homes.
Oh my God.
This homeowner pleaded with the Planning Commission for help, saying their yard and garage flood constantly.
Where do we need to go forward from here? Because we're just to the point where we're so frustrated.
Mayor Corbett shares the homeowner's frustration.
Well, I mean, we're not happy about it. You know, the expectations are set, and when they're not met, it's not good.
Before becoming mayor 2 years ago, as alderman, he voted against some of these projects, he says. Fearful the city was growing too fast without proper infrastructure.
And we're trying to recover from all those developments that were previously approved. So we've got road work, we've got a new sewer plant that just came online, we've got stormwater projects, big stormwater projects that are planned to help mitigate some of the issues caused by these big developments.
To prevent more problems, Mayor Corbett recently issued a stop work order on construction.
Where the deficiencies are, get them to fix those things, and then we can let them come back to work.
Since White House has been his home for 20 years.
These are your family, these are your friends, these are your neighbors.
My parents live here, my brother lives here, yes.
He wants to make sure people feel safe.
We understand the issues, and we're working really hard to make sure that it doesn't happen again.
In White House, Aaron Cantrell, News Channel 5.